Welcome to our video series on optimizing your enterprise's operations. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's discussion, we'll be navigating the often asked question of how much you should be allocating for your maintenance team's training. We'll explore why training is crucial, how to evaluate your current spending, and what types of training to consider for various roles within your team. We'll also illustrate a potential training budget, giving you a clearer view of how these costs might look in the real world. So stay tuned to get insights that could help you achieve world-class standards. Now, if you're curious about how much you should be spending on training for your maintenance team, well, like many questions, the answer depends on a variety of factors. However, if you're aiming for a world-class benchmark, consider dedicating about 4% of your total labor costs to training. Why is this important? Numerous industry studies have shown that downtime can be significantly reduced with adequate training. For instance, an electrical distribution equipment company found that around 3/4 of unplanned shutdowns are caused by human errors. That's a significant number. So where should you start? The best first step is to evaluate or measure what you're currently spending on training. To calculate your average training cost per employee, simply divide your total cost for training by the number of internal maintenance employees. You can also view these measurements as a percentage of total maintenance costs or divided by job classification, depending on how you want to analyze your data. When you're calculating your total training costs, remember to include all the wages paid during training, as well as transportation, travel, registration, and other fees and material costs. Your maintenance employees should include all your direct, indirect, salaried, and hourly maintenance staff. Let's talk about the types of training you might consider. The number and kind of training opportunities are vast and varied. You definitely want to ensure that your maintenance team is trained on all safety requirements, including OSHA, LOTO, and JSA. You might also consider investing in leadership or managerial training for your maintenance managers. This could include courses on CMMS software and strategy. Organizations such as FMEA and RCFA offer certifications in reliability-centered maintenance. Your maintenance technicians could also benefit from technical skills training. This might include courses in welding, balancing, and blueprint reading. Plus, they could earn certifications in specific areas such as thermography and ultrasound. Many conventions and conferences also offer continuing education seminars and workshops that should be counted in overall training. So what might a training budget look like? Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you have a maintenance team that includes 1 maintenance manager, 3 maintenance shift supervisors, and a dozen maintenance technicians. Over the course of a year, you might spend $2,000 on safety training, $7,000 on hydraulic systems training, $1,000 on team building, $2,000 on CMMS training, and $4,000 for conference participation. That would average out to $1,000 of training expenses per year. If you have a total labor budget of $400,000, you'd be at world-class training expense levels. Remember, investing in your team's training isn't just a cost, it's an investment in the success and efficiency of your operations. So, consider these points when budgeting for your maintenance team's training. And that brings us to the end of our discussion. We've covered the importance of training, how to evaluate your current spending, and the types of training to consider for your team. We hope you found this information valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on optimizing your enterprise's operations. For more resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you achieve world-class standards in your operations.